Learn useful information in English. The button is loose. The button is loose. The shoes are worn out. The shoes are worn out. The book is dog-eared. The book is dog-eared. Someone littered in the park. Someone littered in the park. This wall has graffiti on it. This wall has graffiti on it. The garbage is overflowing. The garbage is overflowing. The door is rusted. The door is rusted. The machine is out of order. The machine is out of order. This car is abandoned. This car is abandoned. This building is under construction. This building is under construction. The lane is closed. The lane is closed. The road is blocked. The road is blocked. This is a manhole. This is a manhole. This is a speed bump. This is a speed bump. This is a pothole. This is a pothole. The water is stagnant. The water is stagnant. These are crutches. These are crutches. This is a neck brace. This is a neck brace. These are walkers. These are walkers. This is eye patch. This is eye patch. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.